Hey there! Today I want to take you on a journey to Zimbabwe, a land rich with culture and history, but currently embroiled in a fierce struggle for justice and democracy. Let's dive into the heart of this fight and meet some of the brave souls leading the charge. Amos Chibaya and Ostalos Siziba. These names might not ring a bell for many, but they are the unsung heroes in Zimbabwe's fight for freedom. Recently, they led a protest at the Magistrate Court, demanding justice for CCC activists who faced brutal treatment at the hands of Zimbabwe's riot police. Imagine this: women with broken legs and arms, denied medical attention and kept in police cells. It's heartbreaking. But Amos and Ostalos didn't let this brutality go unnoticed. They stood tall, raising their voices against the injustice. This isn't just a local issue, it's a cry for help that echoes globally. Zimbabwe is grappling with systemic corruption and a government that silences dissent with an iron fist. The ruling ZANU-PF party has often been accused of rigging elections and stifling opposition voices. Jacob Ngaravum, the leader of Transform Zimbabwe, was jailed for calling out corruption. His crime? Urging citizens to peacefully protest. 4 years in prison for standing up against graft. But the struggle for freedom doesn't end with incarceration. It ignites a fire within people like Amos and Ostalos. They know that the fight for democracy is a marathon, not a sprint. They're not backing down, even when the odds are stacked against them, and they're not alone. International voices are stepping in, urging the world to recognize and respond to these injustices. NGOs like Vanguard Africa are advocating for the United States to take a stronger stance against Zimbabwe's oppressive regime. Jeffrey Smith, the founder of Vanguard Africa, stresses the importance of not endorsing flawed elections or offering support to such a government until real reforms are made. It's a call for accountability and transparency, values that are at the core of any true democracy. So, what can you do? Stay informed. Amplify these voices. Share their stories. Each time you talk about their struggle, you're shining a light on the dark corners where injustice tries to hide. Remember, change starts with awareness, and awareness breeds action. Every step you take, no matter how small, contributes to the larger fight for freedom and democracy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories of resilience and hope from around the world. Together, we can make a difference. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and stay hopeful.